Westland College. It's a good college. People are respectful, everyone, the teachers, that's why.
This college is a very beautiful college and very quiet, has very good staffs, very passionate staffs and very respectful staffs. Every single person in this college respect each other.
The college is good, it's very diverse.
It's quite nice actually, it's really nice. Like it's quite, there's less people here. It's kind of just like, I don't know, everyone's quite welcoming. Everyone's it's a very calm college.
It's fun, it's interactive, it's social, it's very, they're very hardworking, dedicated.
Well, there's lots of new people that I can meet, speak to, lots of friends I've made in this college. Teachers are really nice, practical downstairs, the technician downstairs helps us as well.
Things that I like most about this college is the way the teachers treat the students, the knowledge they give us, everything about the practical tasks, the theory, and it's really a friendly college.
My first passion is actually teaching. So when I completed my degree in automotive engineering, I carried on doing an education course to be able to transfer my knowledge and skills to other people.
You don't need to do any more topics, any new topics. You need to get the ones that we've done absolutely sorted.
My favorite thing here, I think my teacher is a nice teacher.
So I love teaching maths. Okay. And I love helping students overcome the problems that they had with maths.
Because I wanted to improve my language, I wanted to understand the people, I wanted to work the good job.
Good is good college. I like to learn here.
I like teachers and this class and my friends.